In this video, we will show you how to replace your outside rear view mirror on this Kia Forte Koup. This will be mounted along the outside of your front doors. Let's get into it. A quick note, when replacing the mirror, you're going to find that the outer cover comes separated from the rest of the mirror. That's so you can have that cover paint matched if necessary. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing I'll mention is it's a good idea to have your window in the down position so you can easily reach the mirror. Once you've completed that, the next thing we'll want to do is remove our tweeter speaker from across the front here. To remove this, we'll be using a plastic trim tool because we do not want to cause any damage to the door panel or the door itself. Keep in mind there is a wiring harness along the back side of this speaker. With that disconnected, you can temporarily set this aside and we'll continue on to our wiring harness that leads to the back side of the mirror. To disconnect this, there's a locking tab right up along the top. You can use your tool or you can use your finger. Go ahead and squeeze that in and disconnect the electrical connector. With that disconnected, we'll just give it a quick check for corrosion if you see any. Go ahead and take care of it. This one looks fine. We'll set it aside. Continuing from there, you're going to find that you have three 10mm headed mounting bolts. Let's start removing those, but keep in mind, these are what's holding the mirror in place. Let's make sure we're holding onto the mirror as we continue. Remove the mirror from your door. There it is, friend. With the mirror out of place, the next thing we'll do is clean and inspect the mounting point. Just give this a quick wipe, make sure nothing's rotted or damaged. If it is, you want to make sure you take care of it. Ours looks fine. Let's continue with our installation. Now it's time to install the outer mirror. Before we install this on the car, we'll continue on with our outer cover here. Looking along the back side of the cover, you're going to find a whole bunch of alignment tabs. Those are also locking tabs. We'll be pressing those into the corresponding holes on the mirror itself. Start getting this in position. Now we'll want to try to align things before we continue pressing too hard here. Double check all the way around to make sure it's properly secured and we can install this in the car. Now it's time to install the mirror on the door. We'll take this and align our alignment tab with the corresponding hole. Press it through. While holding it, we'll continue on with the mounting bolts. They're all started in. Let's snug them up and make sure they're nice and secure. We do not want the mirror vibrating on us while we're driving down the road. We'll just double check each of these real quick. Continue with your wiring harness. We want to make sure we have the locking tab facing up. Press it in, listen for a click. We'll give it a light tug to make sure it's properly secured. Continue on to your tweeter speaker. Looking along the back side of this, we have our two tabs along the bottom and a locking clip up along the top. We'll pay attention to the door. You can see the mounting points for each of these areas. Get it aligned, press it in. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of our outside mirror. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and set it to the angles you need so you can see behind you, and of course, test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.